A couple of weeks ago, Smart came out with a new addition to the Smart Learning Suite Online. They added a audio recorder that allows you to record voice dubs on each page. All you have to do to use it is go into Smart Learning Suite Online, start a project, go in, choose something that you want to do. With this, I'm just going to take and choose a video to make things simple. And we've added a page. Now to add a voice dub to it, all you have to do is come down here in the left hand corner of the screen, click on the little record button. This will come up. To start recording, simply click on recording. You have a maximum time limit of 5 minutes for each recording. Different things that you can think about doing on the recording is you might want to use it to give directions for an activity that you've planned in this. You might also want to give it, if you're using a video, to give a students a specific job to watch for, or activity or thing to see in the video. Maybe talk about what you're going to be going over. Whatever you want to take and use will be embedded in it. So simply do your recording, click start. It records everything. When you're done, just click pause to review. You can come back, you can play it and see if you like what you said. You can continue recording if there's more you want to say. Or if you don't like what you said, and like all of us, you got tongue-tied and don't want to have it on there, you can delete it and start over. But if everything's good, just click add, and that will be added to it. This can go on each and every page that you're working on in this presentation. When you're done, just click finish editing. It's going to show you the page. We'll go to the next one. Since we know we have that here, you can hit, the student would click play. Start. It records everything when you're done. And as you can see, it records everything, just like I said. And once it's done recording, and you want to publish this out to your kids, click up here, share link, student copy, and send it out there to them. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, ask your ITRT. Have a wonderful day.